Do you ever feel like you've memorized all the English grammar rules, but your conversations still sound a little robotic? You know what you want to say, but it just doesn't land naturally. If that's you, you are not alone. It's one of the biggest hurdles for English learners. But here's the secret. Sounding natural isn't about more grammar. It's about the right phrases. Before we jump in, make sure you subscribe to Fluent Flow so you don't miss any tips for speaking confidently and naturally. In this video, I'll share 10 simple sentences that instantly make your English flow more like a native speaker's. These aren't tricky idioms, just everyday phrases you can start using today. Let's dive in. 1. What have you been up to? A friendly alternative to how are ya that sparks real conversation. You. Hey, Sarah, I haven't seen you in ages. What have you been up to? Sarah. Not much, just work. I did go hiking last weekend, though. Native speakers shorten it to, what you been up to? 2. To be honest, a polite opener when giving your true opinion. Friend, did you like the movie? You. To be honest, it wasn't my favorite. It softens disagreement and adds authenticity. 3. I see what you mean. Shows you understand someone's perspective. Colleague, we can't launch yet. There's a major bug. You, I see what you mean. Fixing it first makes sense. Much warmer than just saying, I understand. 4. No worries. A casual way to say, it's okay or you're welcome. Friend, sorry I'm late. You, no worries. I just got here too. Relaxed, friendly, and super common. 5. I'd better get going. A natural way to end conversations politely. You. This was fun, but I'd better get going. I've got an early morning. Softer than I have to go. Quick break. If you're enjoying this, hit like and subscribe. I've got an ebook called the Fluent Conversation Guide linked below with hundreds more phrases for daily life. 6. Could you give me a hand with this? A polite way to ask for help. You. Could you give me a hand with this bag? It's heavy. Could ya is how it often sounds in fast speech. 7. It's on the tip of my tongue. Perfect for when you almost remember a word or name. You. His name. It's on the tip of my tongue. Chris. That's it. Shows you haven't forgotten, just need a moment. 8. I couldn't agree more. A strong way to show total agreement. Friend, this coffee is amazing. You, I couldn't agree more. Stronger than just, I agree. 9. That sounds great. Adds enthusiasm when accepting a plan or idea. Friend, want to grab pizza tonight? You, that sounds great. Much more positive than just, okay. 10. Let's catch up soon. A warm way to end chats when you want to reconnect. You, it was great seeing you. Let's catch up soon. Friendly, casual, and leaves the door open. And there you have it, 10 simple but powerful sentences to make your English sound more natural. The goal isn't perfect grammar, it's confident, real conversations. Start small. Try 1 or 2 this week, then build from there. Which of these 10 phrases is your favorite, or which one will you use first? Drop it in the comments for practice. And if this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fluent Flow for more tips. Want to keep learning? Check out the video right here for another way to boost your fluency.